Do you know who this is from?
Aunt Jeannie.
And Uncle Mike.
Hey, in the meantime, hi Uncle Aunt Jeannie and Uncle Mike. It's nice to see you guys. Thank you so much for sending my daughter a present.
Ooh, look.
Ooh, a beach card. Wow. That's so cool.
Look what I have in it. Look what I have in it.
Gift card. Wow. Where's the gift card? Oh, Barnes & Noble. Wow.
Look, it looks like a whole beach. Oh, look at all those chairs and umbrellas and
Very cool.
how nice is that?
And look at that.
Look at the clouds.
Sparkling.
And look at that blue water.
Oh, it looks like we're in Florida because there's palm trees.
Yeah, and look at there's really cool books in this store. Do you remember going in there?
No, but can I? Now I'll open up the present from it. It's kind of like papery sticking out. Ooh, I like the polka dots are on it. Oh, they do good knots.
Pull on the string for her.
Here, look.
Help me open up my string. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sometimes I can't really undo knots. I only know how to do them. I know how to do them.
Do you know what it says? Birthday party in a box. For Sophia.
Sparkly stars. Birthday.
Yeah. Oops. You want some help?
Put it up on your head.
Oh, it looks beautiful. And it's green. Awesome.
There's all kinds of fun stuff in there.
What's that?
That's a candle. Yeah, there's a cake.